Respected parents and my dear students, today the students of the Library Club of Fauji Foundation School, Sheikhupura conducted a morning assembly on the topic of the value of focus. Students delivered speeches on value of focus and highlighted the importance of value of focus. Students created different posters highlighting the value of focus. Library in charge shed light on value of focus through pep talk. As you know, focus is so important because it is the gateway to all thinking, perceptions, memory, learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Without good focus, all aspects of your ability to think will suffer. If you can't focus effectively, you can't think effectively. It is very beautifully said. Focus is the key to success. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.